How to clean crabs. First thing you need is a pair of good scissors. These Joyce Chin ones I like. You need yourself a bowl, a good sturdy bowl. Take your crab to start with and cut. Shake it off. Take it from the smallest pincher, wiggle it, pull it apart, and then tap it on the side of your bowl. Bring all the crab right out of it. Set that aside, move on to the next one. Do the same thing, shake that crab right out of it. Okay? Break a little of this off if you need to. Move on to the next one and break it apart and shake all that crab right out of it. And just keep working your way down the thing, breaking it off like that and shake it right out. It'll clean them right out. Okay? Once you've done that, you take and you break this part off, break this off, and you have a nice piece like this. You take this piece, take your scissors, cut in just a little, trying not to push your scissors into the meat. Come back around the top, push it in, and go slowly, and you've got yourself a nice full piece of meat here coming out of the legs. And you just repeat that over and over, and you got it. Take your next one, go like that, break that off, break that off. Take your scissors, cut, not pushing it in too far, turn it over, and go down the back side. And you've got your nice piece of meat. There you get full pieces of meat all the way, every time. You can use your finger if you like. Shove that meat right out of there.